Hello, and welcome to this training session on linking an activity to an incident. The Links tab is a place where you can identify the other records that have some form of relationship with the current record you're working on. There are three subtabs within the Links tab. The focus of this training will be on the activity links. The Activity Links tab allows you to keep track of the activity records that are related to this incident. Within this tab, we can see various options that allow us to add new, edit, remove, and go to. We'll look at all of these in more detail in just a moment. There are two ways that an activity record can be linked to an incident. The first method is the Add New. When clicked, this link will open a new window where we can add the details specifying how a specific activity record may be related to this incident. Within this window, we need to specify the link type. Next, we need to select the activity record that we're linking to. In the Linked From Activity field, click on the green plus sign, and from the entity window that opens, we have the ability to click on the green arrow to search through all of the activity records that we have access to. We also use the filter box at the top of this window to type in a full or partial record number to help filter this list. From here we can double click on the record, or we can single click and then click the select button down at the bottom of the window. In the link effective date, we need to enter the date when the activity became associated with this incident. Finally, in the Notes field, we can enter any additional notes or details regarding how these two records are linked together. Once complete, click the OK button to add the link to the incident and close this window. Back on the incident record, we can now see the link added to the Activity Links subtab with the details that we've just added. Repeat this process for any other activity records that need to be linked to this incident. The Edit link allows the user to reopen the link details to edit any or all of the link type, linked from activity, link effective date, and the notes fields. The Remove link allows you to delete the selected link and remove the details on the relationships between these two records. Finally, once the incident record has been saved, the Go To link allows the user to go to the actual activity record to view or potentially edit the details on the activity. If we navigate to the Links tab, under the Activity to Incident subtab, we'll be able to see the link that we just created. Clicking on this record and clicking the Go To from here would also take us back to our original incident record. As mentioned earlier, there's also another method for linking an activity to an incident, but this process is done from the activity record. When adding to or editing an activity record, a button within the toolbar allows the user to create an incident from the activity. When the Create Incident button is pressed, a new incident record will open with most of the already entered data from the activity record copied over into the appropriate places on the incident record. Through this process, the system will automatically link the activity to this new incident, populating all of the fields for you. In the link type, it will be identified as the primary link. The Linked to Incident field would populate with the new incident number. The effective date would be the date that Create Incident button was pressed. And in the notes, it will identify the activity as the source of the incident. If required, you may edit any of these details as needed. This concludes our training on linking an activity to an incident. The next recording will demonstrate how to link two incidents together.